everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I have picked up a perfume that smells very clean, fresh, and this one is also a unisex perfume. I would say this one is an underrated perfume, and this one is not much hype. Generally, you will find a very less reviews on it. So this one is Calvin Klein Everyone EDT. This has been in my collection from last 3 to 4 years, so I thought why not share a generic review on it. As you guys know, Calvin Klein is a luxury brand, and it also has its own perfumes lineups. Recently, they have launched few new collections, but this one is an old perfume. This one was launched in the year 2020 by the perfumer Alberto Morillas. Let's talk about the presentation. So, bottle looks very clean and transparent. Watery juice can be seen, and the best part of the packaging which I liked about it, that it comes with this cap, and along with that you also get this sprayer, so you also get the option to refill this bottle, and along with that you get the brand band on the bottle itself. So overall, the packaging looks very clean, elegant and sophisticated. So for the packaging and for the presentation, I would rate it 7.5 out of 10. Now let's talk about the notes. Let's give it a spray and check the notes. Let's talk about the notes, guys. So in the top notes you get orange, oil, ginger, and in the middle notes you will find tea and watery notes, and in the dry down after few hours later you will get musk, cedar, amber and patchouli. So musk dominates in the dry down, and this is a very fresh and a citrusy scent. So it's said that this one has naturally occurring alcohol as an ingredient. Guys, see, this fragrance is not like other complex fragrances we have like Acqua di Gio, Versace, Dylan Blue. So notes of this fragrance gives you a very pleasant and very provocative vibe. So this one, it's a very easygoing fragrance. So I would rate it 7 out of 10 for the scent profile. Let's talk about the projection and the sillage. So this one is an EDT version, so you can't expect a longer projection, but yeah, it will give you a projection of about 2 hours from 1 to 2 feet. And once it settles down completely and becomes closer to your skin, so you can expect an average longevity of about 3 to 4 hours. So I would say this is one of the cons for this perfume, and I would rate it 6 out of 10 for the scent profile. Now coming to the last section, when to wear it and who can wear this perfume. So this is completely a no-brainer perfume. Anyone can enjoy wearing this. And this is completely daily wear perfume. You can wear it in your daytime for your mood uplifting, and any age group can wear this fragrance. So this is a 50 ml bottle which cost you around 3,400 rupees, and 200 ml will cost you around 6,500 rupees. So you can try an EDP version of the same fragrance that stays longer and is slightly more citrusy. So you can always try a tester before buying this, and you can keep this in your daily wear as an alternative along with your other fresh fragrances. So that's all I had for today's review video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next review video. Bye bye.